Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to reject an estimate invoice. Rejecting an estimate will indicate that the patient or medical aid has declined the cost of the procedures and/or treatment that have been quoted. An estimate is a quotation that is created for a patient to give them an indication of how much a treatment or procedure will cost. The quote or estimate can be used to get authorization from the medical aid or for private patients to have an idea of how much the debtor will have to pay for the treatment or procedure. This video will start on the account details screen with an estimate already created. For more information on how to create an estimate invoice, please refer to the Create an Estimate Invoice user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Estimate Invoices sub-tab. The Estimate Invoices screen will open. Navigate to the desired estimate that the user wishes to reject and click on the View Estimate button. The selected estimate will open on the Invoice Details screen. For a detailed explanation regarding the invoice screen, please refer to the Invoice Screen user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the up arrow next to the Save and Close button. Additional options will be displayed, including the options to accept or reject the estimate. For more information regarding the acceptance of an estimate invoice, please refer to the Acceptance of Estimate Invoice user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Estimate Reject button if the debtor decided against accepting the estimate. An attention pop-up will appear to confirm whether the user wishes to actually reject the estimate. If the user does not wish to proceed with rejecting the estimate, click on the Cancel button. Click on the OK button if the user wishes to reject the estimate. An additional attention pop-up will appear asking the user to explain why the estimate is being rejected. Type the reason into the text field. Click on the Cancel button if the user does not wish to reject the estimate invoice. Click on the OK button if the user wishes to proceed with the rejection of the estimate invoice. A red notification with the reason for rejection will appear on the invoice screen. To finalize the rejection of the estimate, click on the Save and Close button to save the estimate and return to the account details screen. In order to view the rejected estimate, tick the Rejected text box. The status of the estimate that was selected will be changed to Rejected, with the reason for the rejection stated as well.